So hello guys, welcome to Vishal Bhai coding channel. In today's video we will continue to make our quiz application, that is a Kotlin quiz application in Jetpack Compose. In previous video I simply create a top app bar, put both light and dark mode. So if you not watch my previous video, the video link in description, so you can simply watch it first. So I will go to, in my previous video I created a home package in app UI package and created a home body composable in home package. So first I will define a column and pass a modifier, that is modifier dot fill max size, and pass a normal padding, that is 60 dp, and I format it first. If you want to format the code, you can simply press Ctrl Alt L. The code is formatted. Here in padding section I am not going to pass padding like this, padding 60 dp. Instead of passing this padding directly, I created a object in utils package, name is key. You can see here I will define these three parameters. First is normal padding, that is 60 dp. Second is normal spacing, that is 20 dp, not 60 dp, that is 20 dp. And and the last one is small spacing. First I will define these three parameters. If I needed in future I will add more, but first I will explain what is these parameters. So let's suppose I am creating home column and pass 16 dp here, and creating in another UI like register UI, question UI, profile UI. So we need to pass a normal padding. Instead of passing 60 dp everywhere, I simply define an object, and I simply created an object name k, you can name anything, and pass normal padding. Here you can see normal padding, so I will pass here k. You can simply first type object name and then parameters. First is normal padding. So when you use object, so what will object will do? The object will improve your code maintainability, reusability and consistency of UI. Here in padding section you can simply pass 16 dp. There is no issue, but this is not a good practice. Let's suppose if you are working in very large project, you want to make your app very clean and reusable, maintainable. So this type of small practices make your apps more. So first I will define a preview, app preview, and that is composable private fun preview. And then I need to define a theme, that is Kotlin quiz app theme, and here I am passed simply home body. So in my previous video I will define all this preview in very deeply. So if you not watch, link in description, you can simply follow my playlist. The preview is building, it will take some time. Yeah, that is my preview, both light and dark mode. So let's implement our top app bar. If I go to documentation of column, I will show you. You can see here in column section you can see there is no parameter of bottom app bar. So what we can do? So a next parameter will come in action, that is basically our scaffold. Here if I go to documentation of scaffold, I will show you. Here you can see scaffold has parameter bottom app bar and especially top app bar. So here first implement our top app bar. If I go to scaffold take a composable top app bar, and I am calling to my custom top app bar which I created in previous video. Custom top app bar take a title, name, home. My previous building I will show you. Here you can see dark mode, light mode. I think I need to change this home icon to menu icon. So first I go to, and here I think where title is equal to home, icons, accounts occur, no, home, title is equal to home, menu. I set it, but I don't think, yeah, I change into menu icon. Let's see our top app bar implementation is completed. So scaffold take a modifier, you can simply pass it modifier, simply pass modifier, and then we can simply define our column in scaffold. Column will take full max size, modifier dot fill max size dot padding, I think key dot normal padding. And another thing is scaffold emit a value, name padding values. You can name anything. I simply name padding value. Basically scaffold emit this padding values, so you need to pass this padding value in a column. So here you can simply pass it. So I will explain you what the padding values will do. So let's suppose this is our phone, and this section is top app bar, this section is bottom app bar. So the padding values emitted by scaffold will automatically detect the size of top app bar, height of top app bar, and height of bottom app bar. And let's suppose you design a scrolling UI, you can simply scroll it, and top app bar automatically above the our UI design. So this all happen with the help of these padding values. So I think you understand. So let's make our UI. First thing, I need to create a headline. So here I created a composable. So here I am creating a separate composable, name is headline text. Headline text, I think I'm not using this headline text everywhere, so I make it private. I make it private. So let's create our headline text. Headline text, I need to create a column. I give it a size, modifier dot fill max width, and create a text and write our motivational line, ready to test your Kotlin skill. So this will be best, yeah. And another thing, I add another text, that is quizzes. So let's add this headline text in our main home UI, name is headline text. My previous building, yeah. So you can simply see this line will come in our home screen. So I think I need to add some spaces, yeah. So let's add some custom font. To make our UI more attractive. First you need to go resources, folder, and that create Android resource directory and simply find font section and simply click OK. Here you can see in resources section you find a font name folder. So in this project I am going to use only two font. First is Enter and second is Baloo 2. So you can simply go to Google Fonts and download it and then extract it. First I added Baloo font. So you can see there are 5 types of Baloo fonts are present: Baloo bold, Baloo extra bold, Baloo medium, Baloo regular and Baloo semi bold. So I add Baloo bold, Baloo medium, Baloo regular and Baloo semi bold. These 4 font added, and Baloo extra bold I think I'm not added. First I copy Baloo 2, simply paste on font section. And remember one thing, font name should always be in lowercase. So Baloo bold, Baloo 2 bold, yeah, I added Baloo 2 bold, Baloo 2 medium, Baloo 2 medium. Here I will speed up the video. So and the font that I am going to add is Enter font. So I am going to Enter font, static. You can see there are many types of Enter font are present, like Enter bold italic, Enter extra bold. So I am not going to use all fonts. I am going to use only 4 font: bold, medium, regular and italic. Semi bold. So first thing I am going to copy bold and paste it, Enter bold. So you can see in font section I am added 2 fonts and each font has 4 type: bold, medium, regular and semi bold. First you need to define all these fonts. To define all this font you need to go UI theme and type.kt. You can simply search it if you not find this. So first I will define Enter font family, Enter font family, and then font. And to use to define all this font, r dot font dot enter bold, and one thing, that is font weight. First so you are confused why I am adding this font weight. So first I will add all this font, then I will explain you. So font, so first I cut my Android Studio and restart it again. Actually when I added some custom fonts from outside of Android Studio, use in Compose verse, so my preview is not building. So I don't think if you have problem like this, basically this is especially my problem in Android Studio. If you are facing this same problem, so simply cut Android Studio and restart it again. I will show you how can use these custom fonts. So here I am going to add some custom font. I will show you. I simply add a font family and specify Enter font family. I think enter font family, and font weight dot bold. So this is main funda. When I add font family means enter font family. Here our code will run and go to this enter font family, and when I specify font weight dot bold, our code will run and find which font weight has bold. So here normal, semi bold, medium and bold. So this line will execute, and these three lines will not execute. So here if I change into semi bold, our code will run and find which font weight has semi bold. So here in third line, font weight, so this line will execute, means in enter font family, semi bold types of font will execute. So here you can see semi bold. If I specify regular, I think regular, no, normal. So you can see my font in change. I think font weight dot bold is best. This is a heading line, so font weight is good. And here in quizzes section, I specify Ballu font family, Ballu 2 font family, and the second is font weight. I think medium. Yeah, wait a second, I will try medium. When I specify Ballu font weight medium, our code will execute and find font family Ballu, and in Ballu section our code will execute and find which font has font family medium, second line. So this font family will execute. That's will good. So alright guys, that's it for today. Keep learning and see you next video. Thank you. Bye bye.